Guys, I'm going to show you how to avoid the common mistakes people make when it comes to landing page conversion. Guys, here's the thing, right? If you do not get your landing page set up correctly for conversion, you will have no business. You will not generate leads, clients, or customers. And the common mistake I see people making when it comes to landing page design is they do not set this up correctly for the people they are targeting. So it doesn't matter what type of business you are. You could be selling products or services. It's the same principle, guys, and I'm going to show you exactly how you should be setting up your landing page for conversion, for leads, for sales, to get more customers and more clients, and to avoid these common mistakes I see people making all the time. So you can avoid these mistakes and you can finally start getting more clients, leads, and convert the traffic, guys, on your landing page. So let's dive in and let me show you what you should be doing and how to avoid these common landing page conversion mistakes. So let me show you now. So here we are, guys. Right, I'm going to share with you some common mistakes that people make and they wonder why they do not get leads, clients, and customers. Guys, I see this mistake happening all the time on landing pages and websites. And if you want to have a successful business on Google or on the internet, you need to have the right landing pages set up for your targeted traffic. Otherwise, you will never have a business that will generate leads, clients, and customers. And without those three things, you will never have an online business. So something we teach our clients that are in our Google Mastermind program, right, is to make sure your landing pages are set up for the exact type of targeting and type of traffic you are trying to attract into your landing page. And I'm going to share with you some common mistakes people make so you can avoid them. And I'm then going to show you how to correctly set up a landing page that will give you more conversions, more leads, and more sales. So let's dive in. Now, here are some examples, right, guys? So take a second when we go through these examples about your own business. What do you offer? What's your service? What's your offer? What's your products? Because these examples will apply to you as well. So let's say, for example, you sell life insurance, right? And this is a common mistake I see people make. They will send targeted traffic and people that are looking for life insurance, and they'll send them to a page that talks about pet insurance or health insurance or equity insurance or home insurance, right? Guys, when you create your landing page, you need to be very, very specific on your landing page and always bear in mind the type of traffic you are targeting. So if you are selling life insurance, do not send them to a page about pet insurance. Do not send them to a page that talks generally about all the wonderful insurance products that you offer. Only guys, have a page that talks about life insurance. So avoid this mistake. Make sure your landing page is talking to exactly the type of people that you are targeting. Another example, right? Let's say you sell Ford cars and they are on Google looking for Ford cars. Do not then send them to a landing page that talks about Mercedes or talks about Nissan or talks about different types of car models. And another common mistake as well, guys, right, that people make is they will have a list of different brands or list of different cars or list of different products. Be very, very specific, guys. I cannot make this clear enough. If someone goes to Google and they type in Ford car, make sure your landing page is nothing but Ford cars. So this is an example I've put here. If somebody's looking for Ford cars and then they go to a Mercedes landing page, or a landing page that doesn't really talk about Ford cars, or maybe it mentions Ford cars here and a little bit there. It needs to be very, very specific for Ford cars. So think about your business, guys. Think about your services, your products, and make sure that whoever you are targeting, that landing page supports and talks about that person you are targeting. This is how you set up a correct landing page. And I've used this example because it's clean, it's clear, and there's no much noise. There's no noise going on the landing page. So this would be a good landing page, right? So if you are targeting people that are looking for pet insurance, somebody will go onto Google, they'll type in pet insurance, and then they'll go to a very clean, simple page like this. Can you see, guys, how you are keeping everything so simple and to the point? This person is looking for pet insurance. They've gone to Google, they've typed pet insurance, and they have then gone to a very simple headline that says pet insurance. So it ties back to what that person was originally searching for. Can you see how it all mars up together? It all comes together. It's a clean page. It talks nothing else but pet insurance, right? There's no other links. There's no other way of confusing your visitor when they are looking for pet insurance. So this is what's going to catapult and increase your conversions, your sales, and get you more leads, guys. We talk much more about this in depth inside of our Google PPC Mastermind coaching program, right? We go into a lot of depth on this because it is really, really, really important. So another example, right? Somebody goes onto Google and they talk and they look and they're searching for Mercedes cars, and then they go to a page that talks nothing else but Mercedes cars. Can you see how clear this headline? The headline says, search the Mercedes-Benz online showroom today. It has no other mention of any other brand or any other car. And can you see how tight this journey is? So let's look at it in three steps here, right? Okay, step one, they've gone to Google, they know what they want, they're typing in Mercedes cars. Step two, they see your ad. Yes, we sell Mercedes cars. Brilliant, you are serving what they want. And step three, and most important step on this journey, is the landing page talks nothing else but Mercedes-Benz cars, guys. And that is the power of having a successful, simple, very simple landing page. So many people confuse and make it complicated to have landing pages, right? They have colors here and headlines there and pictures there. Guys, I have been doing this for over 10, 15 years and created a very successful business using Google. And let me tell you, the most ugliest, simplest pages has converted and made me the most revenue. So guys, when you're converting and developing your landing pages to try and get more leads, more clients, more customers, do not make it complicated. Keep it simple. Simple, simple, simple. So those are the key things you need to bear in mind when you're targeting your traffic and you know the people you want to serve. Make sure that your customer journey is supported, like this example. Google, search of Mercedes cars, add Mercedes cars, landing page, very, very simple, talks about Mercedes cars. So guys, I really hope this has been useful, this short YouTube tutorial. If you like our content and you want to learn more about this sort of stuff, guys, please subscribe to our channel. We're looking to put more content out of there. And also there's a link below where you can watch more free training. Got free training going on right now. Not sure how long it's going to be there for, but really excited. I'm going to share with you a lot of really cool tips that hardly anyone does or don't even know about. So it's really exciting. So guys, subscribe to the channel. Want more content? Go and check the link below for the free Google training. And yeah, hopefully I'll get to put more of this videos out if you guys like it, and I will look forward to seeing you soon, and hopefully you've enjoyed this video. So see you guys.